Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing 3 types of knots that is essential for all scouts to learn. The very first one we're going to learn is the square knot, where you will just be taking 2 ends of the same rope, and then you are going to take a right over left, take it under, and then left over right and take it under, where we pull through. So that is basically how our square knot looks. Now we can also use the same technique to make the square knot over a piece of stick, and what you'll need to do is take right over left and under, and then left over right and under, whereas we place the stick in the middle and you pull. And that is our square knot. Next is our figure 8 loop. So you'd want to make a loop in the center of your string, and then we are just going to take it around the fingers, over, and then thread it underneath and pull. And then we have what we call our figure 8 knot. So again, you make a loop, take it over and around the fingers, and then tuck it under and thread through. And there you have it. For the final knot, you are going to make a loop with the right piece going over the left piece, and then we are just going to thread it through our stick. Thereafter, the same shorter piece which is on top, we are going to take it under, thread it over once, and then under again, thread it over twice. We are going to bring it down, and we are going to thread it over one more time. And then we are just going to pull on the string, and you can see with the taut line we can make the knot tighter. And there you have it. So those are the 3 basic knots required to learn for your level 1 Scouting About lesson. Thank you for watching. Good luck practicing. Bye.